Tools needed: electric drill, Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver. Turn off power to the refrigerator. Remove the back panel screws and set the panel aside. Remove the plastic cover from the connection terminal assembly. Unscrew the ring terminals from each row on the connection terminal. Remove the screws holding the terminal assembly to the refrigerator. Install the new connection terminal assembly and secure it with screws. Attach each ring terminal to its designated location. Reinstall the plastic cover on the terminal assembly. Reattach the back panel. Restore power to the refrigerator.